Who doesn't love a cool new tool, right? So I'm going to get right to it and show you the 6-shooter. You just push the handle forward, expose a bit, and use it like a standard bit driver or screwdriver. Sure, it seems neat, but you're probably already familiar with other bit drivers where you select a bit. So what makes this one special? Normally, when you switch bits, you have to manually remove the loaded bit and insert the new one. So what do you do with the old one? Do you try to click it into this little slot? Do you just leave it loose until the job you're working on is done? I bet that means you're always losing and misplacing bits. I bet some of your drivers end up looking like this. You're left with a slotted, maybe a square bit, and some random posi drive bit you've never used and probably never will. You ever been on a ladder or under a vehicle or some other tight spot where you don't have the space to switch bits? What do you do if you're wearing gloves? With the 6-shooter, the bits auto-load and are held captive inside the handle itself. So if I want to go from Phillips to slotted, this is how easy it is. Extend, twist, and push forward. Pretty easy, very fast, and no fumbling with loose bits. So let's look at this a little closer. As you extend the tool, the bit automatically retracts into its own chamber. Then, use the indicating arrow to choose the new bit you need, and then push the handle forward. The bit chamber is clear, so it is easy to identify the bit you need. The 6-shooter is a patented design and is made from high-grade materials and a shock-resistant plastic. The handle is very comfortable to use and has an anti-roll design. There is even a rotating front collar for fine adjustment and stabilization. It is also magnetic, so it holds bits very securely. It comes preloaded with 3 slotted and 3 Phillips bits, but there's another nice feature of the 6-shooter I want to mention. You can customize the bit load with any standard 1/4 inch by 1 inch insert bit. So if you're working with square or Torx drive or even stainless fasteners, it's no problem. Push in the handle, pull out the bit, and replace it with the one you want. So in just a few seconds, you have the exact bits you need and are ready to get to work. With a 6-shooter, you can quickly switch between bits without having to fumble with loose bits. The part number for this Canadian-made 6-shooter is 10997, and it also comes in several assortments. 2 tray assortments, part number 84953, has 48 pieces with slotted, Phillips, hex, and square bits in both steel and stainless. And there's part number 84952, and it has 55 pieces with Phillips, slotted, Torx, and square bits. And remember, both of these trays include the 6-shooter. There are also 4 handy pack assortments available, and each comes with its own 6-shooter. Part number 86236, 26 pieces with Phillips, slotted, Torx, and square bits. Part number 86237, 23 pieces with Phillips and Torx bits in both steel and stainless. Part number 86238 is 26 pieces with Phillips, slotted, and square bits. And finally, part number 86239 is 28 pieces with T5 through T40 Torx bits.